We are proud to have LPI lasers in operation all over the world. We've added support for many languages that can update the entire LT3Raptor interface. First, it's important that you download the language pack in Windows. So I'll go into Settings, Time and Language, and download the appropriate language pack. We suggest, if possible, doing this before you update to this build of LT3Raptor. If you haven't, that's okay. We just want you to do a fresh install of LT3Raptor before you proceed to changing the language within the app. Go into LT3 Application Settings. First, you'll notice everything is really well organized. In general, pick the language you'd like to see. LT3Raptor will restart, and you'll see all your buttons are in your language. LT3Raptor is now multilingual.